Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Gamma Rain in Worldbox. Gamma Rain is a fantastic tool that lets you quickly apply specific traits to a large number of units in your world. It's an incredibly efficient way to shape your civilizations and creatures, giving them unique characteristics with just a few clicks. This feature is designed to make your godlike powers even more impactful and fun to use. To begin, open your Powers menu, usually found at the bottom of your screen. From there, you'll want to select the Creatures and People tab. Within this section, look for the Trait Rain category. You'll see options like Gamma, Delta, and Omega Rain, which all function similarly as trait storage slots. Choose the Gamma Rain option to proceed. Once you've selected Gamma Rain, a new panel will appear, displaying a wide array of traits. You can scroll through this list and pick the specific characteristics you want your units to have. You can choose up to 5 different traits to be included in your Gamma Rain. Think about what kind of impact you want to make on your world before making your selections. After carefully selecting your desired traits, simply click the Make It Rain button. You'll then see an animation as the Gamma Rain descends upon your chosen area. Any units within the affected zone will instantly receive the traits you've selected. This is a powerful way to quickly evolve or modify populations, creating interesting scenarios and outcomes in your Worldbox game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.